Bulgaria's plans to modernize its air force with new F-16 fighter jets have been thrown into disarray by a series of setbacks. In 2019, Bulgaria signed a $1.3 billion contract with Lockheed Martin to purchase 16 F-16V Block 70 aircraft. The first 7 aircraft were scheduled to be delivered by the end of 2023, with the remaining 9 to be delivered by 2025. However, production of the F-16Vs was delayed due to a number of factors, including the COVID-19 pandemic and supply chain disruptions. As a result, the first Bulgarian F-16V is now not expected to be delivered until the end of 2024. In the meantime, Bulgaria's aging fleet of MiG-29 fighters is nearing the end of its service life. As a result, the Bulgarian government has been exploring options to lease or purchase additional fighter jets to bridge the gap. In December 2023, Bulgaria reached an agreement with the United States to lease for F-16CAD Block 50/52 aircraft from the United States Air Force. The lease is expected to last for 3 years, with an option to purchase the aircraft at the end of the lease period. In a further twist, the U.S. government has now approved the sale of 8 additional F-16 Block 70 aircraft to Bulgaria. The sale is worth an estimated $1.6 billion and is expected to be completed by the end of 2024. The approval of the additional sale is a major boost for Bulgaria's Air Force Modernization program. The new F-16 Block 70 aircraft are the most advanced version of the F-16 fighter jet, and will provide Bulgaria with a significant increase in air power. The Bulgarian government has said that the new F-16s will be used to deter aggression from Russia and other potential threats. The aircraft are also expected to improve Bulgaria's interoperability with NATO allies. The twists and turns of Bulgaria's F-16 fighter jet program have been a source of frustration for the Bulgarian government. However, the approval of the additional sale is a positive step that will help to ensure that Bulgaria has a modern and capable air force in the years to come.